Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the swag camera moves feature in CapCut Mobile. So here, to find the feature, just go to the explore section in CapCut Mobile, click on view all, and you'll find swag camera moves. So by using this feature, you can add a camera movement to your video. So click on try it now and then add the video that you want to add it. So I'm going to add this video. So here it will lead you to the video effect. You can find the camera effect here on the video effect, or you can also use the camera tracking. So click on the video and find the camera tracking and click on the AI movement. So I'm going to add this soft AI movement, or you can always choose the one that you want in here, and CapCut will apply the AI movement, so it will make or it will create a fake swag camera move. Okay, so it is done, and this will be the result. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.